It's hurricane season. Well, not really. Hey guys, Steve with American Paving Design here. Let me tell you, it is always hurricane season here in the Low Country. Anybody who's ever been stuck outside between 4 and 5 o'clock in the afternoon on a hot day knows what I'm talking about. All right, so you're soaked, you're drenched. What are the other problems that can come from this? So if you've got hardscapes, maybe some concrete, maybe a pool deck or a patio that's holding a little bit of water, you know what I'm talking about. You got a little bit of water. It's not a whole lot. Maybe it's just a quarter inch or half an inch. And it dries up if the sun stays out. And then bam! Another hurricane. Well, another afternoon, rainstorm here in the Low Country. And it's soaked again. Just when it started to dry out. Now, after a while, you get this black mildew that grows on there. You got to pressure wash it. It's slippery. It's disgusting. You're telling your kids, don't step over there. All right, what's the solution? So, you've got nowhere to put this water. This water's got nowhere to go. We'll send it down below. So there's a product. It's called a permeable paver. What we do, we install a rock bed underneath, maybe 6, 7 inches, maybe more, maybe a little bit less. Just depends on how big the area is. And install the pavers on top. The pavers are permeable, which means they let the water right down through and they suck it down in. Let me tell you, it does wonders. No more puddles, all right? This water is gonna go down to the paver, works its way into the ground. No more having to worry about the water running off. Is it gonna go into my yard? Is it gonna go make it to the road? Is it gonna come back into my garage? Down below. If your water's got nowhere to go, let's send it down below. Get more details on permeable pavers. Check out our website, www.americanpavingdesign.com. Contact your local paver company or whoever you got around you, or simply Google it.